Jai Gurudev. Welcome to this tutorial. This would be the second part of the introduction to layers. Now we have already discussed on the I button and the order in which layers are placed, how that affects the overall look and feel of the poster. Now we'll see the opacity of a layer that can be changed, increased or decreased based on your need. So the opacity property is right here. You can see on the layers panel. Each layer will have an opacity. Generally, we keep it at 100%, but in case you want to edit it, you can simply decrease or increase the same, and the opacity decreases or increases respectively. All right. Moving forward, now we'll be discussing how to move a layer. So before moving a layer, I'll quickly walk you through how to select a particular layer. There are three ways to select a layer. One is selecting layer from this layers panel. So if you are able to identify which layer it is, maybe for text layers you have the actual text as the layer name also, but for here the layer 4 copy you won't know which layer it actually is. So if you know which layer and what is the layer name, you can actually select the layer from the layers panel itself. That is method number one. Method number two, you will have to click on the move tool on the top of the toolbar and make sure the auto select is on, and then click on the layer which you want, and it automatically you can see the respective layer is being selected. Now if I click here, you will see that vector smart object copy layer is being selected. So otherwise I would not have been able to understand what is this layer corresponding to in this image. So this is one way of identifying. The other third method is, if this auto select is off, you can simply right click on an image. You can see there are two layers in that same position, meditator and circular background. So you can select either of these, and that particular layer would be selected. Here also, in if I right click happiness, I'll get the happiness layer. All right. So that is about selecting the layers. Now how to move a layer. So you have to select the layer first. So here I'm going to select the Art of Living logo, right click and click on the AOL logo. You can see that in the layers panel, the AOL logo is being selected. Now with the move tool being selected, move this around and place it at some position you would like it to be placed. So I have kept the Art of Living logo on the top right corner. So this is how you move a particular layer. Now you can also use your left and right arrows or top and bottom arrows if you want to fine adjust the position. You don't necessarily need to use the mouse or cursor for that. See that Art of Living logo is being moved when I click left, top, right and bottom. Alright, that's about moving the layers. Now, if you want two layers to be locked together, for example, there is this meditator, right click, meditator, and there is a circular background. So if I am moving the meditator, the circular background is staying there. It is not moving. So if you want the circular background to move together with the meditator, I'm just clicking Control Z. Now click on both the layers, select both the layers from the layers panel by clicking Shift. Click on the link layers button, and now if you try to move, you can see both the layers are moving together. All right. That's all for this tutorial. We'll see you in the next one.